Are your best engineers vainly struggling to set up your dialogue modules?
Commence the experiment.
Alright, I will commence the experiment.
Abort!
Through the power of science, Dialog Evolution unveils to you a new age.
Meet Roboy.
Great Scott, what's your name?
My name is Joseph.
Hey, I know you, Joseph. I am Roboy 2.0.
How do you say hello in French?
I think the answer is bonjour. Oh well, I know much more stuff.
What is the weather like?
It seems like it is clear out there.
When was Einstein born?
I think the answer is March 14th, 1879. What is my purpose?
Your purpose is to pass triples.
Oh my god.
Well, you heard it for yourself. Get the new dialogue system on GitHub now.
If you need any assistance, contact your local Roboy team. During test passage, possible but not guaranteed. Terms and conditions apply.